Bilis ng mga nakatayo. Thank you. Ayan. Alright, this time kakanta na one more time. And happy birthday song to Kuya Hans. Alright, let's sing a happy birthday song. Alright, ready? Okay, ready? Ready, music. Go. Alright, everybody, clap your hands, everybody, come on! Come on! Birthday to you. Come on, sing! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Come on, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, okay, before you blow ni Hans ang kanyang candle, kailangan muna natin marinig yung birthday wish ni Mami and ni Daddy. Okay? Daddy, what is your birthday wish, Daddy?
Wishing Hans would have
More birthday.
warmer birthday.
More children.
Oh!
Wishing
More brothers and sisters.
future.
More brothers and sisters.
Ayan, okay. How about si Mami? Mami kayo. Wow, ang haba ng wish ni Mami. Okay na. Ayan. Okay, pagkakaunt tayo ng 1 to 3, i-shout natin. Blow